All right, today we're going to look at a tool that tackles a problem that honestly quietly kills our focus and productivity. It's called Universal Auto Play and Pause, and it's all about giving you this smooth, automated control over any audio or video you're trying to learn from.
But, before we jump into how it works, let's talk about the why. Why does this thing even exist? Well, it's made to fix a frustration that I am pretty sure we've all felt at some point. I call it the endless play/pause loop. I mean, seriously, think about it. Have you ever been there? You're trying to learn a language, maybe transcribe an interview, or just take really good notes from a lecture, and you're just constantly smashing that play button. Pause, rewind a little, play again. It's maddening, right?
And look, this is way more than just a minor annoyance. Every single time you have to reach over and hit pause, you're breaking your concentration. It just rips you right out of that deep work zone, that learning state. And your flow, totally gone.
So what if you could just break free from that whole manual, focus-killing cycle? I mean, completely. Well, that's exactly where this automatic solution comes into play. Enter Universal Auto Play and Pause. Okay, so here it is, our first peek at the interface. It's super clean, really simple, and it's all built around that one big question. What if that entire process could be automated? Well, let's find out, shall we?
All right, so how does this thing actually work? Let's get into the nitty-gritty, the core mechanics. And honestly, it all boils down to just two super simple timing settings. The whole system really is built on this ridiculously simple idea. You just have to worry about two things. Play duration, that's how long the audio or video plays for, and gap duration, that's how long it pauses. That's literally it.
So this creates this simple, really powerful loop. Here's how it goes. Number 1, the media plays for the time you set. Number 2, it pauses automatically for the gap you decided on, giving you that perfect amount of time to write or think or repeat something out loud. And then number 3, the whole cycle just keeps going all by itself.
But here's something really important to get. Just because it's automatic doesn't mean you lose control. Not at all. You can start and stop this whole cycle instantly, whenever you want.
Now, the fastest way to get this cycle going or to stop it is with a keyboard shortcut. You can see it there in the controls section. It's just Ctrl plus Shift plus P for Windows and Linux, or Command plus Shift plus P if you're on a Mac. One simple shortcut to toggle it on or off. Doesn't matter what tab you're on. And hey, if keyboard shortcuts aren't really your jam, no worries. There's also this neat little floating button. You can set it to pop up right there on the page, so you have a clear visual way to start and stop the cycle with just a click. Okay, so the basics are already super powerful, right? But that is just scratching the surface. Now let's get into the pro features. This is where you can take your workflow to a whole new level of smooth. Let's kick things off with a small detail that makes a huge difference. Think about a normal pause. It's so abrupt, right? It's just a hard cut to this jarring silence that can totally pull you out of the moment. But the soft gap feature, that's totally different. It creates this smooth, gentle fade down into the pause. It just feels so much more natural. And you can find that option right here in the Pro Features menu. You just toggle on Soft Gap, and it's all about getting rid of that harsh silence. It might seem like a small thing, but trust me, it's so effective at keeping you locked in and focused. And right next to that is what I think might be the single biggest game changer for efficiency: presets. This feature lets you save all your perfect timing setups for different tasks, and then you can switch between them with just one click. It's awesome. This is such a huge deal that it really deserves its own moment. So let's talk about presets for every task and how they give you these one-click setups for, well, pretty much any scenario you can think of. So check this out. This is the presets menu. As you can see, it comes loaded with a bunch of handy built-in options for things people do all the time, like language shadowing or taking notes from a lecture. But the best part? You can create and save your own custom presets for whatever it is you need. And really, you can use this for anything. Just imagine, 1 minute you're using a shadowing preset, like a short 3-second play, then a quick 1.5-second pause. Perfect for language practice. Then, boom, one click and you've instantly switched to a lecture preset with, say, a 30-second play and a 5-second pause for taking notes. It's that fast. So let's wrap this part up. Why are presets so amazing? Well, you get a one-click setup for any task. You can jump between different types of content in a heartbeat. You can save the custom timings that are perfect for your brain. And you can switch between entire workflows without even blinking. And at the end of the day, this is what it's all about. This tool is designed to do one thing and do it brilliantly. It takes a boring, manual, distracting task and turns it into a completely seamless, focused workflow. It just lets you focus on what actually matters. You know, the stuff you're trying to learn.
So as we wrap this up, it's pretty clear this is more than just a fancy way to hit play and pause. It's really a tool for taking back your time and, even more important, your focus. Which brings me to one last kind of exciting question for you. With this kind of focused power, what are you going to go out and learn?